Step by step. How to do. Kneeling kettlebell halo. 1. Kneel down on the floor or a mat with both knees on the ground. Keep your torso tall and your core engaged. Hold the kettlebell upside down by the horns, the handle ends, so the bell is facing upward in front of your chest. 2. Brace your core. Keep your abs tight and spine neutral. Avoid arching your lower back or leaning forward. Begin the halo movement. Slowly move the kettlebell around your head in a circular motion. Lead with one side. Bring the kettlebell close to one ear. Move it around the back of your head. Then pass it to the other ear, returning to the front of your chest, or complete the circle. Keep the kettlebell close to your head throughout the motion for control and shoulder mobility. Avoid flaring your elbows too far out. Reverse the direction. After completing several reps in one direction, switch and perform the halo in the opposite direction. Keep your core tight and hips stable. Don't twist your torso. Move slowly and smoothly. This is about control, not speed. Breathe naturally. Exhale as the kettlebell moves behind your head. Use a light kettlebell if you're new to the exercise to prevent shoulder strain. Do 8 to 12 halos per direction. 1 rep, huncher, 1 full circle. Perform 2 to 3 sets. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.